how to watch private YouTube videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can watch private YouTube videos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now whenever you try to open up YouTube, there could be some of the videos that you received as a notification, but now when you try to watch that video, it simply says that that particular video is private, so you are not being able to watch it. Now in this case, there is actually nothing that you can do as a subscriber, because it is not up to you to make it public. The video belongs to the creator of that video, and they have choose to make it private for the time being. So one thing you can do is you can either contact the creator and let them know that you want to watch their private video and then why you want to view it, and also be sure to provide them with the email address that is associated with your YouTube or Google account and enough reasons as to why you want to view it. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.